back in September, after we dedicated Lab 3, which is in TECHAiDE, we visited with the second lady.
When we met with Second Lady Samira Bamia, he asked her if she could suggest some villages in the north where we could place our fourth lab, because we didn't have any contacts in the north.
So as an extension of my relationship with her, I said, well, we'll look into it. So I was able to have a conversation with Deborah Rose, who's the president of the organization, and to sort of prevail on her for us to look into the north at the request of Samira to set up our Lab 4 there.
So we're very excited that the lab has come to stay in Tamale, Chogu, and it will be a great place to have technology affect the lives of people and to impact lives.